In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Unit 2 Lesson Trip to Ooty. Look at the picture. They are enjoying the picnic. Where would you like to go for a picnic? Yes, beach, waterfalls, garden, park and etc. Would you like to go with your friends or parents? Yes, sometimes with our parents and sometimes with our friends. How do you prepare yourself for a picnic? Yes, we have to take what are the things we need for the picnic. Why do we arrange educational trips in our schools? In the schools, they arrange educational trips to learn something about the climate, places, history and nature and etc. Before getting to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Spectacular, eye-catching. Mesh, material made of a network of wire or thread. Snaking, moving like a snake. Swaying, moving slowly. Snickered, laughed in a suppressed way. Let us get into the lesson now. Trip to Ooty. Have you gone to Ooty? Yes, few of us living in Ooty and few of us have gone to Ooty. Yes, Ooty is a very good place for summer vacation. It is known as Queen of Hills. Here there is a girl. She writes a letter to a friend about a trip to Ooty. Yes, if we go for some other places, we used to share with friends and family members, isn't it? Yes, come what she shares with a friend. This lesson is in the letter format. If we want to write a letter, first we have to mention the place, date. Yes, she also mentioned the same. She lives in Coimbatore, so she mentioned Coimbatore there and date. She wrote on 20th 11th 2017. Whenever we write letter to our friend, we use dear friend or dear your friend's name, isn't it? So she also used dear Malli. Malli is her friend's name. Thanks for your letter and it was great to hear from you. You asked me to tell about my trip to Ooty with my friends. I had most wonderful time. 20 girls and boys from class 6 went on the trip. Our class teacher Geeta madam and 2 others took us. The girl who writes letter, her name is Merlin. In the beginning of the letter, Merlin thanked her friend for her letter and her friend asked about her trip to Ooty with her friends. Merlin told that was the most wonderful time. 20 girls and boys from her class went on that trip. Her class teacher Geeta madam and 2 other teachers took them. My grandmother has told me about the beautiful journey to Ooty by the toy train many times. She said that it was a spectacular trip up and down the slopes with birds and trees dancing along. Ooty is so close to Coimbatore, but I have never been there nor seen that train. So I was really thrilled when the school arranged this trip. You can imagine how excited I was when I stepped into the toy train with my friends. Merlin's grandmother told her about the beautiful journey to Ooty by the toy train many times. Her grandmother said that was the spectacular trip. Spectacular means eye-catching trips. It was attracting. And it has ups and down slopes with the birds and trees were dancing along. Ooty is very close to Coimbatore, but Merlin have never been there and nor seen the train. So it was very thrilled when her school arranged this trip. Just imagine that if our school arrange any trip means how do you feel? Yes, we feel very excited, isn't it? She also excited when she stepped into the train with her friends. I looked around at the wooden chairs with cushion seats and oil painted walls as I put my bag on the mesh of the luggage rack. I was bubbling over with excitement. After getting to the train, she looked around the wooden chairs with cushion seats and the walls were painted with oil paints. She put her bag on the mesh of luggage rack. Mesh means material made of a network of wire or thread. And she was bubbling over with her excitement. Bubbling means with the happiness we make sounds, no? That only bubbling. Hi Fatima, isn't this fun? I called out as my friend came into the compartment. Come, sit here. I have kept a seat for you. You can keep your bag next to mine. What have you brought to eat? Paratha and delicious chutney. Did you see the train? It's so beautiful, Fatima replied. Merlin called her friend Fatima and she asked her to come and sit near her. She kept a seat for her and she told her to keep her bag next to her bag. And she asked, what have you brought to eat? She replied, paratha and delicious chutney. And Merlin asked her, did you see the train? She told that it's so beautiful, Merlin. When you are going for a picnic with your friends, always you used to sit with your best friend, isn't it? And we used to keep a place for her also. Yes, she also did the same. Our teacher Geeta madam came around to see if everyone was seated properly. The train is about to leave, so take your seats everyone, she said. Just then the train started with a jerk. It moved very slowly, leaving the station with a long hoot. Everyone clapped. The train went snaking up the steep hillside, weaving its way through forest of tall trees swaying in the breeze. Merlin's class teacher came around to see everyone was seated properly or not. Then she told them, the train is about to leave, so take your seats everyone. Then the train started with a jerk. Jerk means pulled forward. The train was moving very slowly and leaving the station with a long hoot. Long hoot means a loud sound. Everyone clapped. Yes, if you are in that place, what will you do? When the train started, we all shout and clapped, isn't it? Yes, they also clapped. The train went snaking up the steep hills and went through the forest. The trees were swaying in the breeze. Snaking means the train was moving like a snake and went through the forest. There the trees were swaying. Swaying means moving slowly in the breeze. One of the boys, Muthu, said, it is going so slowly, I can walk along its side. And he got up to go to the door. From the other end, the teacher saw him and said in a firm voice, Muthu, go back to your seats at once. The girls snickered and Muthu sat down with a long face. One of a boy from Merlin's class, he said that the train is moving very slowly. I can walk along its side. And he started going near to the door. At the time, Merlin's class teacher saw Muthu and said that in a firm voice, Muthu, go back to your seat. The girls snickered. Snickered means laughed in a half-suppressed way. And Muthu sat down with a long face. Do you know why the teacher shouted at him? Yes, because he was about to be near the door. It was very dangerous. So whenever we travel in a train, we should not leave our head out of the window and should not go near the doors while moving. While being in educational trips, we have to obey the teacher and be careful while traveling in a train. Let us see section 2 in the next video.